Unveiling the unexpected, the humble nettle takes center stage. The stinging nettle, often seen as a pesky weed, is finally having its moment in the sun. This plant, with its prickly reputation, is actually a culinary gem waiting to be discovered. Chefs and home cooks alike are rediscovering this humble ingredient for its unique flavor and impressive nutritional value. From Asia's vibrant pesto to Italy's comforting soups, stinging nettles are weaving their magic into dishes worldwide. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure that's as unexpected as it is delicious. A culinary renaissance from feared weed to forage delicacy. Throughout history, cultures have recognized the unique properties of this plant. In ancient Rome, soldiers used nettles to treat muscle pain, while medieval healers touted their ability to purify the blood. Long before supermarkets, our ancestors relied on foraging for sustenance. Nettles, with their early spring arrival and abundant growth, became a valuable source of nutrition. Their vibrant green leaves, packed with vitamins and minerals, were transformed into soups, stews, and beverages. Today, this ancient wisdom is experiencing a revival. Modern science confirms what our ancestors knew. Stinging nettles are nutritional powerhouses, rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron, calcium, and potassium. They offer a wide range of health benefits. So, the next time you encounter a patch of stinging nettles, don't shy away. Embrace the unexpected and discover the culinary magic that awaits. A plant of paradox navigating the sting to discover culinary gold. The stinging nettle is a study in contrasts, its delicate beauty juxtaposed with its infamous sting. The secret to the nettle's sting lies in its tiny hairs, each a miniature syringe filled with formic acid. But fear not, intrepid culinary explorer. This defense mechanism is easily disarmed with a simple blanching. Once subdued by heat, the nettle's sting transforms into a delightful vegetal flavor, reminiscent of spinach, but with a deeper, more savory character. It's this unique taste, coupled with its impressive nutritional value, that has captivated food lovers for centuries. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of stinging nettles. A global tapestry, nettles woven through history and cultures. The use of stinging nettles can be traced back millennia, their presence woven into the fabric of human history. The Romans recognized the nettle's ability to thrive in harsh conditions, considering it a symbol of strength and perseverance. In Celtic mythology, the nettle was associated with the god of thunder and lightning, Thor. The Celts also used it to make a vibrant green dye for clothing and weaving its fibers into sturdy fabrics. From the highlands of Scotland to the foothills of the Himalayas, nettles have played an integral role in traditional medicine and culinary practices. Their leaves, seeds and roots have been used to treat a wide range of ailments, from skin irritations to digestive issues. Beyond their intriguing history, stinging nettles possess a hidden treasure, a nutritional profile that rivals even the most lauded superfoods. Packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, these unassuming leaves offer a wealth of health benefits. Stinging nettles are an excellent source of iron, crucial for red blood cell production and oxygen transport. These leafy greens are also a good source of calcium, magnesium and potassium, essential for bone health, muscle function, and maintaining proper electrolyte balance. It's no wonder that stinging nettles have earned a reputation as a nutritional powerhouse. For centuries, stinging nettles have held a place of honor in traditional medicine systems around the world. One of the most well-documented traditional uses of stinging nettles is as a diuretic, helping the body to flush out excess fluids. This property has made nettles a popular remedy for urinary tract infections and other conditions where reducing water retention is beneficial. Additionally, nettle tea has long been used to support kidney health and promote overall detoxification. In traditional European herbalism, nettle infusions and tinctures have been used to address skin conditions like eczema and acne. The nettle's ability to reduce inflammation and promote healing makes it a versatile remedy for a variety of skin irritations. Nettle extracts have been shown to possess antihistamine properties, potentially reducing the severity of allergy symptoms. While more research is needed, these preliminary findings suggest that nettles may hold promise as a natural allergy remedy. While traditional knowledge has long touted the health benefits of stinging nettles, modern science is beginning to unravel the mechanisms behind these age-old remedies. Researchers are discovering that many of the nettle's therapeutic effects can be attributed to its rich concentration of bioactive compounds, including flavonoids, tannins, and other antioxidants. One area of particular interest is the nettle's potential to combat inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a key driver of many modern ailments, from heart disease and arthritis to certain types of cancer. Stinging nettles contain compounds with potent anti-inflammatory properties, which may help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Studies have shown that nettle extracts can inhibit the production of inflammatory chemicals, effectively dampening the body's inflammatory response. These findings suggest that nettles may play a role in supporting heart health and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. As we delve deeper into the world of stinging nettles, it becomes increasingly clear that this humble plant holds a wealth of potential for supporting human health and well-being. From its impressive nutritional profile to its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, the nettle offers a natural and holistic approach to wellness. Whether enjoyed in a delicious pesto, a comforting soup, or a soothing cup of tea, stinging nettles offer a unique and flavorful way to nourish our bodies. The act of foraging for and preparing stinging nettles can be a deeply rewarding experience. Embrace the sting and discover the world of wellness that awaits within each vibrant leaf. Prepare to be amazed as we transform the humble stinging nettle into a vibrant, flavor-packed pesto with an Asian twist. This recipe is a testament to the nettle's versatility, proving that this often overlooked ingredient can hold its own in even the most adventurous culinary creations. Forget everything you thought you knew about pesto. This isn't your typical basil and pine nut affair. We're venturing into bold new territory, infusing the classic pesto with the bright aromatic flavors of Asia. Think ginger, garlic and chilies all mingling harmoniously to create a symphony of taste that will tantalize your taste buds. This Asian-inspired nettle pesto is about to become your new secret weapon in the kitchen. The transformation of stinging nettles from prickly leaves to a smooth, velvety pesto is nothing short of magical. Before we dive into the blending process, we need to disarm the nettle's sting. This is easily achieved by blanching the leaves in boiling water for a minute or two. Once blanched, the nettles are ready for their transformation. We'll combine them in a food processor with fresh ginger, garlic, chilies, and toasted sesame seeds. A splash of sesame oil and a squeeze of lime juice create a pesto that's both bold and balanced. Beyond the pasta. Exploring the culinary versatility of nettle pesto. While nettle pesto is a natural pairing for pasta, its culinary versatility extends far beyond noodles. Imagine spreading a dollop of nettle pesto on grilled chicken or fish, the earthy flavors of the pesto complementing the smoky char of the protein. Or try swirling it into creamy soups or stews, adding a burst of freshness and depth of flavor. For a lighter option, toss nettle pesto with roasted vegetables, the pesto's vibrant flavors adding a layer of complexity. Use it as a base for a unique salad dressing, whisking it with olive oil and vinegar for a tangy vinaigrette. try adding a spoonful to your next batch of hummus for a unique twist on a classic dip. With its versatility and bold flavors, nettle pesto is sure to become a staple in your culinary repertoire. A taste of spring. Embrace the unexpected with nettle pesto delights. There's something satisfying about transforming a plant often considered a nuisance into a culinary delicacy. So this spring, as the nettles emerge, don't shy away from their prickly embrace. Gather a basketful of these vibrant green leaves and experience the joy of creating something special. The act of foraging for nettles is a sensory experience, connecting us to the rhythms of nature. Once you've transformed your foraged nettles into a vibrant pesto, savor the fruits of your labor. Each bite is a celebration of spring and a reminder that sometimes the most unexpected ingredients can lead to the most delicious discoveries. Rustic Italian comfort, a nettle soup to warm the soul. As the weather cools, nothing comforts like a steaming bowl of soup. Forget minestrone. Let's explore a nettle soup from the Italian countryside. This isn't your average leafy green soup, it's cucina povera, creating extraordinary from simple ingredients. Grab your pot, tie on your apron, and experience the magic of Italian cooking. From garden to pot, a symphony of simple, fresh ingredients. Italian cooking emphasizes fresh, seasonal ingredients. This nettle soup is no exception. The beauty lies in its simplicity. We begin with onions and potatoes. Onions sautéed, potatoes tender, then fresh stinging nettles blanched to remove sting. Nettles added earthy flavor. Garlic adds depth. Vegetable broth base. Olive oil for richness. Simmering with tradition, a taste of Italy in every bowl. As the nettle soup simmers, its earthy aroma connects you to generations of Italian cooks. This humble soup is a testament to tradition and culinary heritage. In Italy, food celebrates life, family, and the land. This soup evokes sun-drenched fields and bustling markets. Each spoonful transports you to Italy, savoring simple pleasures, made with love, care, and respect for tradition. Appreciate the culinary legacy in every bowl. A taste of Italy, celebrating simplicity and shared meals. Beyond the spoon nettle soup as a culinary canvas. While this nettle soup is delicious enjoyed on its own, it also serves as a versatile base for culinary creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment with different toppings and additions, transforming this humble soup into a customized culinary masterpiece. For a touch of indulgence, swirl in a dollop of crème fraîche or sour cream, the tangy creaminess complementing the earthy flavors of the soup. A sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese adds a salty, savory note, while a drizzle of truffle oil elevates the soup to new heights of luxury. If you're seeking a heartier meal, consider adding cooked grains like rice or barley, their chewy texture providing a satisfying contrast to the smooth soup. Or for a protein boost, stir in cooked beans or lentils, their earthy flavors harmonizing beautifully with the nettles. And don't forget the bread. A crusty loaf, grilled or toasted, is the perfect accompaniment for sopping up every last drop of this delicious soup. Whether enjoyed as a light lunch, a comforting dinner, or a satisfying side dish, this nettle soup is sure to become a new favorite in your culinary repertoire. A culinary adventure awaits. Embrace the sting and unleash your inner chef. From the vibrant green pesto that sings of spring to the comforting warmth of a rustic Italian soup, stinging nettles have revealed their culinary magic. More than just a pesky weed, they're a testament to nature's ability to surprise and delight us, offering a unique blend of flavor, nutrition, and culinary versatility. So the next time you encounter a patch of these prickly plants, don't shy away. Embrace the sting, don your gloves, and gather a basket full of these emerald treasures. Experiment with the recipes we've shared, or let your culinary imagination run wild, creating your own nettle-infused masterpieces. Add them to stir-fries for a burst of earthy flavor. Infuse them in oils and vinegars for a unique twist, or simply blanch and sauté them as you would spinach. The possibilities are as endless as your creativity, so go forth, intrepid culinary explorer, and unlock the magic of Stinging Nettles. Your taste buds will thank you. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.